Yeah, because you turn at the right time as well, and I just gave you a quick reference point. Okay, so open the door and have a look at it. Nice lane, yes?
Yeah.
Bang on, spot on, excellent work. Right, okay. So this is your reverse bay park, okay?
Forward.
Forward bay park, yeah. So what we're gonna try and do now, we're gonna try and do one reverse bay park as well, okay? And as I said, I'm just going through this quickly just because you've got a little bit of driving experience, your test is coming up. So I didn't want to go in everything and in just crazy detail. Okay, do you get me? Right? Right, so I want you to reverse to the right a bit and drive to the left, please. Do you get the reference point for forward bay park, yeah? Just wait here for a second, please. Just go back in neutral. I need to tell you something very important. Can you see there's a white line running through, separating two bays? Do you understand which one I'm on about?
This line.
Yeah, this line, yeah? That line should be just under the mirror when you stop. If it's coming too much towards you on the door, getting close to your shoulder, it means the nose of your car is sticking in the other bay.
Yeah.
Do you get me? And if there is another car in front, obviously, it's going to be a bit of a problem. Yeah, you're going to hit that. So that is the reference point. Okay? So I want you to reverse right and drive left, Ibby. So all checks again. Yeah, just move first, Ibby, then turn, okay? Good. Slow, Ibby. Your clutch control still a little on the faster side. That's better, that's better. Anyone coming? Stop then. Yeah.
They've stopped.
Oh, they've stopped. So keep an eye on them and continue. Very slow, Ibby. Very, very slow. Yeah, they're still stopped, so. Good, straighten the car now. Straighten the car. That's it, thank you. Which gear? All checks again. Good. Okay, just stop here for me because they've started to reverse as well. Can you see? So we're going to do the reverse bay park here. So just go forward. Yeah. A bit more. I want you to roll a little bit more and stop now.
Yeah.
Maybe go a little bit more forward, just a tiny bit maybe. That's it, thank you. Yeah, put the parking brake on. Yeah, so you see that white line, this one, yeah? Where is it? Just about where I'm pointing in front of your shoulder, isn't it? That reference point will vary which car you're driving, so it's not the same for every single car. So this is your reference point. If you observe all the way round and roll back and turn all the way right, we're going to be reversing to the right. Can you tell me which bay will you end up in?
Next to that one.
So if this is the first bay, you're going to go in second, yeah? No, you're going to end up in third.
Really?
Yeah. It seems like it's going to end up in second, but no, it's going to end up in bay 3, okay? Right? So if you put it in reverse gear for me, please. All round checks.
They're
Coming, we'll see what they're doing. We've got the reverse lights on, and we'll see if they're going round us or they've stopped, haven't they? Because they see that reverse light. So check all round, please, again, and just tiny bit roll back and full lock to the right to be very quickly, yeah? Full lock. Yes, good. And slow, Ibby. Tiny clutch control, yeah. Yeah. Just check everywhere, every movement on the clutch. Your clutch control is not as bad, but just movement on the clutch needs to be smaller. Yeah, that's when you're gonna get continuous low speed. Good. Neck check everywhere, Ibby. Yeah, how is it looking in the mirrors? Okay, so it seems like you might be a little close to the left. We'll see how it goes. Keep checking both mirrors. Yeah. So if you just straighten the car now, and just pause there for a second. Now, if you look in the right door mirror, you can clearly see the white line, but on the left one, you can't. So it means you're too close to the left-hand side, not right-hand side. Which side?
left.
Yeah. So I want you to reverse a little bit so we can create a little bit of space. And just stop here for a second, yeah? Now go in gear 1. So check all round. Now, because you're close to the left, Ibby, I want you to go forward and reverse. Which way would you turn?
Right.
Right, brilliant. Yeah, let's do that. More to turn right, Ibby, turn right. That's good. And then left as well. Left as well. Left, yeah, thank you. That's fine, stop. If you're not going to steer left, your car is going to be at an angle, right? So, yes, all checks again. So we'll still have to do a bit of adjustment when reversing, yeah? So look in the mirror. Yeah, more right turn. Isn't it? Because yeah, very slow, Ibby, very, very slow. So you can see that line now, isn't it? So because you've steered right, you need to steer left as well. Left. Good. So car straightens up. Otherwise, it's not going to straighten up, Ibby. Is it looking better? Now just hold the wheel there where it is. I don't want you to turn anymore. And straighten the car now. Just pause here for a second. Straighten the wheel.